Oliver.
Maybe I'll just get one paddle. I don't know if you can.
Oh, ants are eating all the seaweed. Where's the ant city?
The ants is living up to like here.
Oh, they're up in there?
See what?
Cool.
They're living.
Oh, there's a lot of ants.
I mean, that is a lot of little ants.
Whoop! You okay?
Yeah. Mommy,
Dust it off.
Mommy, I'm not trip over that.
Oh, you tripped over? Do what? We can walk over.
Mommy, look.
Crabs! Stapler crabs! Whoop! Got one. Oh, got away. Got away. Wait for me. Fiddler crabs! Wait, let's look under here. Ollie, look. Should we look under this?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a worm. Let's not touch that worm. Worms?
No.
Nothing?
Oh, over here.
Be careful. Watch where you're walking. See the waves coming in? Wait for me, please. Should we look under this?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a worm. Let's not touch that worm. Worms?
No.
Nothing?
Oh, over here.
Be careful. Watch where you're walking. See the waves coming in? Wait for me, please.
Mommy, look.
Oh, what is it?
A big sea glass.
That is some big sea glass. Look, there's some green sea glass.
Oh,
Cool.
look. I'm gonna keep going.
Okay, I'll keep those.
Look at these.
Be careful picking it up because remember it can be very sharp.
Mommy, look.
What is that?
That is a treasure.
A treasure.
Yeah. Mommy. You think where to go? There's all these parts on this log.
Look, there's a crab. Right there.
Right there. That is in the machine.
Whoa, you picking them up?
Yeah.
Cool. You put it on the log? Do
Mommy, put on that log in the bowl.
you think there'll be any teeth up in here? You're usually the best at finding teeth. Oh, there's a sharp piece of glass. Let's throw that up there.
Mommy. Come on.
Ollie, wait. We gotta wait for Dada's all the way over there. Your house. Did we make it to your house? You want to go out on the dock?
Yeah.
All right, we're not jumping now. Well, watch your step. Watch your step. It's too shallow, baby.
Daddy!
We gotta go get him. We can't go up there, baby, because people might be sleeping. We gotta go get Daddy to do that. Because we need Dada. Let's go find Dada and then we'll... Or I bet you maybe Daddy's swimming over there. Here we go. Oh, there is one in there. Look at all of them. Hermit crab races! He's on the front of the kayak. So I was telling Abs. What do you want to show me?
I'm gonna go up in the back. That is
Pops is?
this. That what yours?
Yes.
Oh. Look.
Oh, cool.
Back there.
They are back there.
There's water back there. There's water back there. That's weird.
Do what?
People have 4 legs.
4 legs? People don't have 4 legs.
They have 179.
Oh my goodness, you're silly. Whoa, look, it looks like they're walking on the water over there.
Why not? Why? Why not?
No.
Up
Here. Fill her up. Hold on, we can get that way there so we can here, hold this for a second. Get some water in it.
Yeah. Let me get my water.
Cool.
How do we get open?
Well, I was gonna do it like this so I could carry it. Look.
Spiky.
They are spiky. It's a sea urchin. Cool. Do you want to pick it up with a shell?
Yeah.
Here, I'll scoop it into your shell.
I don't want a spiky.
Cool.
I don't want it.
We found a sea urchin. How cool is that? We're gonna put it in here.
Yeah, they're gonna put it in there.
We'll build our own little terrarium. We got a sea urchin. He's in here with all the fish and a clam. Look.
Look at my back.
I can't see. Let me see.
He's
Bring it
stuck.
over here so I can see it.
He's stuck on line still. You wanna put something in there that'll swim around? Go swim with them. Minnows!
Oh, Mom!
Jeez, there's so many. That's why I told him to be careful and keep his water shoes on.
Mama, I see a moving under.
Look, they're moving, Dad. They're moving. Look, come here.
Here we go. Swim across the channel.
Steven, swim across there with him. Steven, swim with Oliver over there. They're swimming. Isaac doesn't have his on. Oh, you're getting taken by that current.
Like this guy. You gotta use your arms. Kick your feet. Kick your feet. That's all right. You got it. I know. I see him over there.
He's going that way. He's getting taken.
Uh-oh, we got the Navy SEAL going in. He's ready. Ensign Westcott. Yay. There he goes. And the fish is off. Oh.
I'm surprised he could swim the whole way over there holding his breath. Abs and I are gonna keep exploring.
coming! Ah! Look at me!
Look at you. Here.
Step on a fish.
Come here, please.
No, I'm not swimming. And I'll go back over here. Dude.
There's a boat.
Gotta wait that boat.
All right, Bird, come this way. Because that's the channel.
Oh, wait, come here.
We are swimming, but this is the Yes. Excellent. Did you? Crab.
Stepped on something and it moved.
My battery.
Ollie, look, there's a little waterfall.
Help me.
Oh, your shoe broke? Oh, there is a hermit crab in there. Here, hold that. Oh, gosh. Look at the little waterfall. You can put it in a tank if you want. We got it. Oh, Ab, do you want to bring it this way?
I stepped on so many things.
Well, do you see this crab right there? You got one?
Where?
In there, look.
Mine is fine right there. I'm not finding
Let me know.
it.
All right, let's see if we can find him. Try the shallow water again. That worked out well. Oh, there they are. Did you get another one?
Yes.
There's a little minnow in there.
Yes.
Good job. You want to add them in with the rest? Let's go put them in with the rest.
I got another minnow.
Did you lose them? Put them on your shell. Oh, he's so little. Here, I got him. Oh, you gonna put some water for him? Okay, go put him in there. Awesome. Let's see if we can see him through the camera. Bring him over here. Nope, don't let him jump out.
I catch the Mama. Yes, I caught whole minnow.
A little bit deeper. Run. You gotta get a little bit deeper in the water. Nothing?
Try.
Want me to try?
Yes. I'm not catching anything. Get it.
What are you gonna catch?
And then the crab.
Yep, there we go. Got a baby.
You said dip it in the water, the net.
But
Just to get all the dirt.
look.
A hermit crab. Look what I got. There we go.
Little crab.
Probably. Yeah.
Jump over.
I saw a big minnow in there. But there's a big minnow.
Add the crab.
Yeah, there's another crab. They going on wheel.
Thank you.
Mama.
Here's a bunch of them out here. Wanna let this one go?
No.
Where do you want to put them? In the tank? Find another one with a prettier shell. Huge clam.
That is so cool.
Wow.